Hello ladies, welcome back to my channel. Happy Valentine's Day, happy Ash Wednesday. Today's Thursday, so happy Thursday. So for today's video, I'm going to be condensing my envelopes. As you can see, my binder is type thick. So we need to change these smaller bills into bigger bills. So let's go ahead and do that.
Tell me how to be closer to you.
A little disclaimer, there's construction going on across the street, so if you guys hear like noise, I'm sorry. Just try to ignore it and focus here. But anyways, let's go ahead and open my binder, right? So we're gonna start with month ahead. We're not gonna look at the tracker, we're just gonna pull out the money and see what we can condense from here. So here we have 20, 40, 60, 81. That's 100. We're gonna put this down and grab a $100 bill. And then let's see what else. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So these we can change into 20s. So we'll put this back and also this back. And we're gonna grab two 20s. So now we have 100, 20, 40, 60. Much better. All right. Emergency fund. Let's see. We have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. We'll put that down and grab $100 bill. Savings. We have 20, 40, 60, 81. Put a $100 bill. Kiddos. We have 20, 40, 60, 81. Put this down. Grab 100. And then we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. We're going to grab 60. So 20, 40, 60. 60. And we're going to grab 3 20s. So we have 165. Next, we have future home. So we have 100, 250. We're going to grab these 4 and put it down and grab 200s. So that's 250, right? Miscellaneous, 20, 42. This is fine. We'll leave it like that. Annual, we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's go ahead and put this down. Let's move all of this here. I need space for the singles. Okay, so we're gonna grab a 10. Birthday, we have 20, 40, 60, 81. Put that back, grab $100 bill. Pets has 20, 40, 60, 81. Grab 1. Holidays has 20, 40, 60, 81. Grab 100. Adventure has 20, 40, 60, 81. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So let's put this back and grab 20. Clothing has 20, 40, 60, 81. Put that down and grab 100. Rollover has 20, 40, 50. You can put this down, grab a $50 bill. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Put that 5 down and grab a 5. And then the Fridays challenge has 20, 40, 60, 80. So 20, 40. Let's see, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We cannot condense here. Okay, 20, 40, 60, 80, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Unless we add a single. No, we're not going to do that. Okay, we can't condense this. And that is that, y'all. Let's see. So this is how it looks now. Ooh, okay. Okay, girlfriend. Nice. I have enough space. You see this? Like, now I can close it perfectly fine. Uh-oh, but why is that sticking out? You are not escaping. There we go. And then with this money, I'm going to go ahead and cash stuff my financial freedom binder. Let's see. This is the financial freedom. So we paid off. I need to mark this. Wait, no, this is the one we're working on. So 1, 2, 3, we paid off 3. Now we're gonna do number 4. We're gonna do number 4. So I did pay, the guy did pay. Girl, don't lie. I did mark this off January $32. So I do have to make a payment. So we're gonna stuff $1,181 for the month of February. So let's go ahead and grab that. Let's see. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. That's 500. That's already 1,000. And then 20, 40, 60, 81. 1. And then 50, 70, 82. Okay, so let's go ahead and count this. Okay. 1, 2. Okay, we need to flip this. And then the 50. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 500. 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 150, 170, 190, 210, 230, 250, 270, 290, 310, 330, 350, 370, 390, 410, 430, 450, 470, 490, 510, 530, 550, 570, 590, 610, 630, 650, 670, 680, 681, 682, plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, plus 5 is $1,181. $1,182. Boom. So then we need to mark this off, and then the 32 is there. Okay. Mark this as paid. And we do have to make a deposit. All right. Oh my goodness. Let's mark this off real quick. And that was number 4, right? So number 4 is now done. And then I do need to work on this one for this month, 15, 16. And then also this one, I did pay this one $302. We can make a deposit and make a payment. And then we're done for the month of February. This is for March, April. Okay, good. Alrighties. And that is that, you guys. I wanted to show you guys real quick. I'm doing this challenge. This is from Kris at Budgeting Just Because. This is her letter challenge. So every single you got, you save it and you just cross out the serial number that's right here. So you have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. So this is what I've been doing, just crossing them out. I have all these singles. And then once I finish, I think she said you save like 660 or something like that. But yeah, this is what I have so far. All of these marked. And I put it inside this pouch and it fits perfect. So yes. Okay, y'all. That is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a like. Leave a comment down below if you saw the whole entire video. And subscribe, share, whatever you want to do. Adios.
You and I could run away.